So today was the last day of school, and Friday, which is tomorrow, I'm working all day, and Saturday I'm going to Las Vegas, so I have to clean my vehicle before it gets very dirty. I was supposed to actually have it detailed yesterday, but I had to cancel that due to an emergency. So today I'm doing my best to wash off the car with a water hose. Yeah. Yeah, she's dirty for sure. Her rims could see better days. I mean, nasty stuff on the windows. Dirty rims. We got some nice bird on the car. Alright, so my camera died while I was cleaning, but I managed to clean the rims a little bit, and they look a lot more better than how they were. I mean, you can thank this thing right here. This rag's all black now. Yeah. Managed to get the poop stains off a little bit. It's not perfect, but it'll do for now. I did not have any microfiber cloth towels, so this rag had to do for now. One thing that I did notice though was this right here. And I don't know if you can see that or not, but that is a crack. And on top of the crack is this. So my Sti wing is a bit loose on this, because I'm pretty sure you can see the adhesive coming off. But on this side, it's completely fine. So I don't really know what happened, but I mean, it'll do for now. Can't really do much, to be honest with you. Alright, so it's about time to go to work in about half an hour, so I'm gonna get ready and go to work. I'll see y'all later tonight, I guess, which for you would be instantly. Okay, so it's been about 8 days since I last drove the car. The reason was because I was in Las Vegas and in Memphis, Tennessee, just for vacation, nothing too big. But I got a phone call from my family mechanic about the spoiler, the crack on my spoiler, and he said that if I wanted to, he can hook me up with a guy that can fix it. I said, sure, but first, before you do anything to the car, how much is that going to cost? A few hours go by, and I get another phone call from him. And the estimate is about $350 to repair that itty ass crack. I declined it because if you look on the video of me purchasing and installing the Sti Wing, my receipt from Import Image Racing says that I paid $500 for that spoiler. And due to the repair costs of $350, I'm not going to pay 70% of what I paid for that fucking spoiler for that itty bitty ass crack. And on top of that, it came with no warranty. So I'm gonna just take the loss on it and I'll just buy a new one. But while I was gone though, I also got another phone call from a guy that I've been contacting or trying to get in contact with for over 3 weeks, and he finally responded back to me because he's a window tint guy. So I went ahead and approved for him to take my car and get window tint applied to it. I wanted the state of Texas legal, most darkest tint that I can have, which is 5% on the back windows and I think 25% for the front. So here we are in the garage, and you can tell, holy, you cannot see a single thing through the back windshield. And you also can't see anything at all through the back. Because you can kind of see through the front. It is so freaking dark in here that you can't even see anything with my flashlight in there. Like, you can't see anything. I love it though. It looks badass. I'm really happy with it. It makes the car look a lot more aggressive, to be honest. It is so dark in here that you can't even see like out the back window. Obviously, since it's brand new, it has the do not roll down sticker. And it is a lot more cooler in here. So for the next video, it's probably going to be me installing the new replacement wing, and then from there I'll see from what else from there. Alright, I'm out.